If you seek a connection with Wānaka's raw natural beauty, then Ridgeline Wānaka is exactly where it's at. Today we're going to be spending some time in our community native plant nursery here called Te Kakano. Every customer that's come with us has contributed to planting trees right here in this beautiful reserve area. Before we head off into the beautiful mountains to undertake our conservation project, Predator Control Program. And you're going to have so much fun today because we're going to be doing some off-roading and we're going to be checking our predator traps. And then when we get to the top at our Alpine Cafe, we're going to have some lunch overlooking the beautiful picturesque Lake Wānaka. It's going to be a fantastic end to the day. So thanks very much for joining us today on our Wānaka Conservation Safari. Our trees are going to thank you, and the ones that you've planted today, come back and see them in a few years' time. They're going to be so much taller. Wonderful to have you here in Wānaka. See you again real soon. Kia ora.